Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Alhamdulillah, Jigsaw is present in Kafar Jalis, in Jigsaw Village 2.0. As you see, alhamdulillah, we just finished 500 blocks, which means that inshallah soon we will start to build the houses. The foundations finished, the total 500. Alhamdulillah, everything is quick and moving very fast. May Allah make everything easy. We are right now in Kafar Jalis with the presence of the general manager of Dennis Finery, and this is one of the models. As you see, things are changing, are evolving. We are using Halab blocks. It's nice and solid. Behind me, already completed the foundations of 500 houses. In this place would be the school. Over there, a road just below us. Of that area will be the community center, the mosque. This is the place of the community center.